it's no laughing matter. However, that's not exactly what the Marines did with this unexpected package of Tootsie Rolls. In 1950, U.S. Marines were engaged in a battle in North Korea, the Korean War. They were running out of ammunition and requested an airdrop of ammo. Specifically, they asked for 60-millimeter mortar rounds. The code name for the rounds was Tootsie Roll. Imagine the Marine's surprise when the package dropped wasn't filled with bullets, but actual Tootsie Rolls. You have to wonder who was behind this mistake and why they thought dropping a box of Tootsie Rolls was a totally normal thing to do.